Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to watch the Champions League on Paramount Plus. First, you will need a subscription to Paramount Plus. Visit the Paramount Plus website and sign up for a plan that includes sports content, such as live UEFA Champions League matches. On your Fire Stick, navigate to the Amazon App Store, search for the Paramount Plus app and install it on your device. Once installed, open the app. Launch the Paramount Plus app on your Fire Stick. Sign in with your Paramount Plus account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one during the sign-up process. Within the Paramount Plus app, navigate to the sports section. This is where you will find live sports events, including UEFA Champions League matches when they are being broadcast. Look for upcoming UEFA Champions League matches in the sports section. Paramount Plus typically provides a schedule of live events, so you can easily find when the matches you want to watch are airing. Once you have found the Champions League match you want to watch, simply select it to start streaming. Enjoy watching the match live on your Fire Stick through the Paramount Plus app. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.